Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage V, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, you will need to have an access to a couple of things. First, you will need to have an access to a working computer. Next, you will need a USB cable that was provided with your watch, so you can use it to plug in the watch into a computer. And the last thing you need is to have an access to an internet, so you can download and install the Polar Flow application on your computer. Now, if you have all of those things, we can continue. So, open some kind of web browser on your computer. As you can see, I opened the Google Chrome. Now, in the browser, click on search and type in Polar Flow. Then tap enter, or rather not tap, but press enter to search. Once you search, you should see this page, flowpolar.com. Click on it to enter. Give me a second. It's not like how it should look. I think we need to log out. So let's log out from the account. Like this. And that's how it should look by default. So if you're not logged in, it should look like this. And you have right here, you have the Get Started button. Click on it. And now we can download the application. And as you can see, we have two options, download for Windows and download for Mac. Since I'm using the Windows device, I'm gonna download for Windows, but if you're using Mac, you can also download for Mac. I'm gonna click on Windows. As you can see, the application is downloading. And once it's done downloading, you can click on it right here to start the installation. Or you can simply go to the folder you downloaded the application in and open it, and then double click on it to open the application and start installing it. Okay, so the application is installing, so let's bring it right here. We can click on accept the agreement, then click next. Here we can select the path in which we want to install the application. If you want to change it, you can click on browse and change the folder. I'm just gonna use the default one, so I'm gonna click next and wait until the application is done installing. Once the application is done installing, you can check the box to launch the Polar Flow Sync and click on finish. And the Polar Flow Sync should turn on. As you can see, here it is. Once the application turns on, you can take the USB cable, plug in the watch on this end of the cable. So let's plug the cable like this. It only fits one way. Also, you have the indication. You have the red square and red square here, so you need to match them basically like this. Okay, so once you plug in the watch, then take the second end of the cable and plug it into your computer like this. Wait until the app detects your watch. It may redirect you to the Polar Flow page and it wants you to log in into a Polar Flow account, but you don't need to do it. You can go back to the application. Now you can click on the settings icon. As you can see, the watch is detected, so we can click on the settings icon. Here we can click on factory reset. Let's click again. Oh, it had a lag for a second. Okay, but once you click the factory reset, it's gonna ask you if you want to reset your watch. Click on yes, and now wait until the resetting process is complete. Do not unplug your watch until the resetting process is complete, because you may damage your device that way. So just be patient and wait, and don't unplug the watch from your computer. And once you see factory reset is done in the application and the list of languages on your watch, you can unplug it from a computer, and at this point your watch is reset to the, or was reset to the factory default settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.